What is up, guys? Blim here. We are back with more Showdown live action, and today we have a very interesting video. Yeah, we have a very interesting video because firstly, we are in top 30 in the ladder. Number one, we are gonna be building a team from scratch, and thirdly, we are gonna be using that same team to climb to the top. Yeah. So just to show you where how much points I have, let me just show you real quick. Yeah, as I saw, I have 17 19 points in BD SPOU 17 19, and let's have a quick look at the ladder. 17 19, which should be quite high. Top 50 for sure. Yeah, 17 19, we are at number 36 in the ladder. Yeah, also we're number 2. We were number 1, but we dropped to number 2 because I've been laddered for a while. Okay, now, yeah, we are gonna be team building from scratch. Yeah, everything we're gonna be team building. I'm gonna be sharing my thought process, yada yada, and then we are gonna be getting games. So before we begin all this interesting stuff, guys, we are on the road to 5k, and we are uploading the most heated and the most interesting content daily. The best showdown lives. Yeah. So head over to my channel and hit that sub button and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the video, because that's what we need to do for the industry to grow, and yeah, keep doing the industry's job every day. So now, step 1, go to team builder, click new team, click BDSPOU. I like to name my in progress teams as beta. And now, firstly, the step 1, I have to think of a mon which I want to build my team on. And now, since we are at this high in the ladder, we are going to be facing a lot of fat and bulky teams. I want to start using a stall breaker. Now, stall breakers coming to mind: Alakazam, amazing stall breaker. Azu, amazing stall breaker. Breloom, very decent stall breaker. Clef, no. Crawdaunt, amazing stall breaker. D-Knight, Ballet D-Knight, very decent stall breaker. Feraligatr, amazing stall breaker. Garchomp, Gengar, Specs Gengar, amazing stall breaker. Heatran, amazing stall breaker. Gliscor, stall breaker. Infernape, bullshit. Jirachi, bullshit. Latios, amazing stall breaker with the correct set, that is. Latios. Most all teams will have a Blissey, so Latios isn't doing jack unless you can like pressure the Blissey a lot. Lucario can be a really nice stall breaker if there isn't a slow bro. Yeah, that's the only thing which is stopping it, and rest is amazing. And also maybe Fizzstep Gliscor can be very annoying. Magnezone can be very good. I mean, it's not a stall breaker, but it's a very important tool which can help break stall. Mamoswine, really amazing stall breaker. Yeah. Manaphy, once again with the correct set, really nice. But what do I want to use? A T-Tar Bandit, Weevil, all that good stuff. I want to build my team around this one. Yeah, this one not just break stall, but it annoys the crap out of stall. I want to use this set. I want to use like obviously Serene Grace set and one move Air Slash firstly. Now I want a leftovers for longevity, and we can run Air Slash, Nasty Plot, Roost. We can run, we have a lot of options. We have this option, Flamethrower, Aura Sphere. We have a lot of options. I will keep the 4th plot as of now, and I want to run like a max speed, because by max speed you outspeed, or I think you speed tie or you outspeed Adam and Luke. Yeah, I want to run max speed. Firstly max speed, and I want to check something. Life of Technician Bullet Punch does screw defense, no defense. Oh, okay. 68.8% chance to Oko. I wanna like, how do I prevent the Oko? $152 HP. Okay, 152 HP. Guaranteed to hit KO, right? Okay. 152 HP, and remaining. I can make this like max HP. I can make this more bulky if I wanna. I can make this more bulky. I don't need this much special attack. Like, let's check one thing. Latios, or you choice specs. Air Slash. How much +2 does? Latios. What wants like to switch in on Togekiss? Okay, and then the biggest thing. Clefable. Utility Clef. Not Calm. No one that's Calm Clef. Air Slash does. Not +2. Air Slash does because okay. Oh boy, this is the damage. Oh boy, are you this weak? Huh? This does literally 0. Since he's doing literally 0, or am I missing something? Is this Togekiss is this weak? Okay, screw it. Since he's doing this less damage, so we should run like max HP and let's keep this for special attack. ASHS, Nasty Plot, Root, and Flamethrower or Spear depending on my hitter and matchup. I will decide that later. But yeah, now I want my defensive core. Firstly, something to check Latios, Scizor or Blissey. Scizor, I think I prefer Blissey because it checks Manaphy as well. So Natural Cure, let's run like Calm Mind, Soft Boil. I might change the set, Ice Beam and like T-Bolt, or you know what fits this set well? Thunder Wave. Thunder Wave, Soft Boiled, Ice Beam, and let's keep this my Rocker. Perfect. Yeah. I'm running Ice Beam because like Chomp, Zenith and Ice Beam Bliss is really good nowadays. It helps to break Gengar sub. Gengar can never sub up on you. It does. Yeah. Just show you how much it does. This is the most important part. See, it does 25 min, so yeah, always good to go. Ice Beam always pick this up. And now I want a Fizzle Fall, a Defogger, and what better than the all-time favorite Chidzer. Let's run Leftovers, Technician, U-Turn, Bullet Punch, Roost, and Defog. Yeah, perfect. Max HP, defensive, 176, or I can run like 196, but 176 helps us to live surf from Latios. Yeah, so run 176. Yeah, this should be good. Yeah, and like this speed with 30 speed EVs, and this will be my shiny. Okay. Now, Now I'm thinking I need a ground type. Let's have a look at the ground types in the tier. Mammy can pair up. I mean, this team is kind of weak to fire. I don't want like Mammy. Chomp is looking really, really good. Let's run Chomper. Source Dance, Earthquake, Murk, Outrage, and there will be a lot of clefs and stuff. Let's run like Iron Head. Yeah, not Poison Jab. I like running Iron Head. Let's make it Rub Skin, and item I'll come back later, but I want to run this like a fast physical sweeper. Do we need to tie other chomps? That's what I'm thinking. Should we need to tie other chomps? Okay, let's keep this as of now. I will decide the item later. Yeah, just a sec. Okay, now I got this too, right? I am kind of weak to Scizor. I need something for Scizor. I'm very weak to Scizor. Now what do I need for? Let's have a quick look at the water types in the tier. Rotom can be really good. Rotom will give us some momentum as well. It can be a pseudo Scizor check. I mean, if it burns and stuff, but Rotom doesn't make most sense. Rotom. Heatran can be really good. Heatran can be amazing, but leaves us kind of weak to ground. Do I run like a Rotom? Manaphy can be good, but do we run like a Rotom? Rotom gives us a good fire check as well. Yeah, I think we should go with Rotom. Rotom wash. Just make this like, I can make this like a Scatom. Yeah. Just make this like a Will-O-Wisp. You know what? I can use my. I have a very nice Rotom set. Scarf defensive bulky Rotom set. I want to use that. I want to use this set. I like this set a lot. This Rotom defensive bulky set is so good, man. It cripples a lot of stuff for Togekiss. It cripples a lot of stuff. And for the last lot, I got my Rocker, I got my Special Wall, I got my Defogger, and now I need a really strong breaker. And now I have my 6 move slot is kind of free because our kind of wall code is kind of set Blissey, this and this kind of set. We are insanely weak to Luke. I need a good priority mon as well. So I can make this Togekiss like item. I have said leftovers, but I might make this Papiri for Luke's last one, right? I can use like D-Knight can really good. D-Knight can really good in the team. I kind of want to like D-Knight makes a lot of sense though. Bandit D-Knight looks really good, but like Weavile also is looking. Bandit Weavile looks really good. Like Togekiss and Weavile, kinda, yeah, makes a good pair. T-Tar looks just insanely good versus in this team. T-Tar looks so good, man. Bandit T-Tar looks so good. Probably it's gonna be Luke. I don't like Bandit T-Tar, but the problem is T-Tar is so slow in this meta currently, and he'll face like Gliscors on every other team. Let's think. Alakazam? Zam. Life Up Zam. Focus Sash Zam. Focus Sash Zam. Thinking. Like Shidzer can be very annoying for the team. Gengar can be really good though. Still big to Shidzer, but Gengar can be weak. Crab Cakes. Nah. DD Knight. Double. No. We are very weak twice. Gator can be kind of okay. Heatran switch-ins. I have some Heatran switch-ins. Should we replace the no. Need some time to think. What's fitting really well? Should I use like a Lucario? Lucario is really good priority. Lucario can like Bandit Luke maybe. I kind of want to use like Alakazam so much. Alakazam looks so good, man. Breloom looks also so good. Breloom just looks insane. Breloom looks like a fine fit for this team. Breloom with the correct set. Breloom looks just a fine fit. I kind of want to like Bandit Breloom a lot. Bandit Breloom is so good, man. You know what? I'm gonna do it. Breloom looks like a fine fit. Choice Band, Technician, Spore, Force Palm, Bullet Seed. I know we are kind of weak to Luke, but I think Spore, Force Palm, Bullet Seed, and what for the fourth move? Of course, we know what it is, but Mark. And do I run like Train Punch over Spore? Nah, not Fast Band. We run Adamant Bandit. Really nice. Like it will just murk Gliscors. I know we are kind of weak to. I think for the Tran matchup, we need to make this leftovers for the Tran matchup only. Blishy should deal. Do I actually need Ice Beam on this? I mean, Gengar can be very very annoying. Gengar will just annoy the crap out of us. Gengar can be very very annoying. You know what? I'm gonna go with this team. This team looks really good. Yeah, this team looks really good. Do we have a rocker? We have a defogger. We have a rocker. We have a really nice Togekiss stall breaker. Max HP. Do I need? I think I need to invest some more special attack just to get those neutral strong hits. Let's just check one thing. Togekiss or your nasty plot and especially defensive. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, you weakling. I know this flamethrower damage because Joey used a life of Electivire and Shidza just ate it up. So I was having my doubts. A knockoff user would be really cool on this team. Maybe no. I think this team looks absolutely solid. This team looks really solid. Yeah, this team looks really solid. I mean, Force Palm. Do I need to run the Spore? I have a Will-O-Wisp, I have T-Whip. I don't think I need Spore. I think I like. Let's keep Drain Punch. Drain Punch really helps. Or like this Focus Punch maybe. Oh my god, such a tough decision. Yeah, I screw Spore. Yeah, this. Screw Spore. Yeah. Now, finally, let's rename the team. Let's name this team as like a Kissing. The theme looks so like, yeah. It looks like a fantasy world. There is dragons, there is a talking mushroom, there is a fairy, yeah. Kissing fantasy. Looks like a fantasy world. Yeah. Okay. Now let's or we have the, yeah, we have this looks like so Alice in Wonderland. I wanna name this Alice in Wonderland. This team looks like Alice in Wonderland. It's just, I don't know for what reason. Yeah, this team looks like Alice in Wonderland. Okay, now let's go to Wonderland. Let's hit. Yeah, as I said, we are number 36 in the ladder. So yeah, let's get the first game. Let's get the first game and see what we get. Let's get those tall guys and stuff. Our Heatran matchup is really bad though. Heatran matchup is so bad. Shidzer matchup is just devastating. Do I run like Papiri on the Kisser? Oh, regardless. Raikou! Oh my god, Rosary. What is this match? No! What looks good is my Shidzer looks really good. If he leads up with a Roserade, I will be in big trouble though. I want to loom him. Oh, this is really nice. I want to get this Choice Banded Bullet Seed off. Or he goes for a Specs Volt Switch. This is hella defensive. Yeah, I knew it. He's gonna put me to sleep now. He's gonna roast me. I think he's rocking here, right? Yeah. Trick it. Trick this boy. He's leftovers. Okay. He has flamethrower, 100% he has flamethrower. god. He's whispering here, right? Is he vaulting? Hmm. Hmm. Is he tricking? Garchomp looks very scary for his team. Okay, he clicked the wrong move. You know what? I want to get my shits up. Yeah, he goes to Bandit T-Tar. He's gonna claim something right now. This looks. I mean, I need this a lot for the Raikou. What they give him though? Okay, Rotom, you kick the bucket now. I goes for the back crunch. Now I can go to my pretty much Breloom and do a Drain Punch on something, the Roserade. I think I want to do that. I don't need my health, to be honest. I mean, Force Palm gets a free kill. Spam this boy. I think you should die to sand and all that stuff. You should die. Get lost. Get the hell out of here. Breloom is looking so good. Goes to the Raikou. No way he clicks the Volt Switch here. But he should click the Volt Switch always. I would click Volt Switch here. My Garchomp is kind of good, to be honest. I think I can like escape with my Blissey. He clicks Volt. 100% he clicks Volt, yeah. Goes to his Chomp, gets his shits up. You know what I can do. Yeah, I want to go for this. Oh, it can do Jack to me. It can do Jack to me. Yeah, you do Jack to me. You know what I click here? I click this. Yeah. Get lost. Okay, he's double banned. But if he clicks the wrong move, oh, my laptop battery is dying. Oh shit. Yeah, we get a free kill with the Breloom. Just a sec. Plug the charger real quick. And turn on the power. Okay, perfect. He shouldn't sack this at all. I think I go to my Breloom because this is really good. I think he's sacking the Rotom, right? I am Bullet Seed, looks hella free. I don't need HP. I am Bullet Seeding. Or he sacked the Chomper. You gotta be absolutely kidding me right now. You gotta be absolutely kidding me right now. Road. He's slow as hell. He goes to T-Tar, I flinch it down. I'm going for it. Oh. Yeah, you can kill me. I don't mind. I will keep going for the S-Slash. I'm going for game with my, I mean, my Chomper just, yeah. Oh, I'm not switching. I'm hell not switching. I'm hella not switching though. You can bet I am not switching. This is like best case scenario for me. Free Drain Punch for me. Best case scenario for me. Oh, yup. Yes, slurped. He has to go for the Shadow Ball or something. Yeah, thought so. I want to double so bad on the Azu, but I don't need to, you know. I don't need to. Garchomp will live too, that's the biggest thing. I think if I go to Breloom, it's a huge choke. Yeah, I couldn't risk that. Yeah, I think I'm going to Mark Punch win. This is in range, everything dies. Everything kinda dies. Yeah, everything kinda dies. Need to just play this game well. I wanna say you're in Earthquake range. And I think like Bullet Seed sacks the Rotom. He goes to Raikou. Let me think here. I don't think Raikou kills my... How much does Specs Raikou do though? Let me make a small calc. Raikou... Breloom... Technician, Attacker... Not Aura Sphere. Shadow Ball, special attack +1. Shadow Ball. Oh my god. And Garchomp. Garchomp, you do. Okay. It does like 0 to Garchomp. So pretty much I can. Okay, I have to. I go to Breloom. He sacks the Rotom. 100% sacks the Rotom. He goes to Raikou. Then I double to my Garchomp and yeah, that's my only play. Because I pretty much like I Bullet Seed here. What? He lost to Mach Punch. What? What did he do? I know from this is some tournament player I know. What did he do right now? Why he sacked the? I'm pretty sure Raikou dies to Mach Punch. Raikou, offensive pivot and what damn it. Breloom, Technician, Attacker, Mach Punch, Adamant, attack at +1. I think you will die. Oh my god, it takes 63 to 75. 51. Why did he go to this? To burn me. Burn me. No freaking way. I choke from here. No freaking way. I just click Outrage, I mark, and I win the game. No freaking way, choke from here. No freaking way. Get lost. No freaking way, dude. And you don't even kill me. You have to go for the like burn, outright. No freaking way. GG, well played, bro. Well played. Really nicely played. Oh my god, we were in a lot of pressure, but we managed. Yeah. Our team building skills are way above. Way above. The team is designed in such a way. Yeah, I'm saying all this, and once we get a SD Garchomp, we just lose on spot. I think we played immaculately versus the Roserade. Yeah. We didn't start this match well because all that stuff. But Bandit Breloom is so good, man. Bandit. Yeah, as I said, the Drain Punch will come in clutch. It came in clutch. I said screw Spore on Bandit Breloom. Screw Spore. Yeah, perfectly played. Yeah, let's get the next game. Tojaki is just putting in the finest amount of work. God damn, man, Garchomp. I haven't used Garchomp in BDSP. I mean, not that much. I have maybe used it maybe once or twice. Yeah. I have half my BDSP teams in here, and I don't think I have a lot of Garchomp teams. Let me have a quick look. Don't think I have a lot of Garchomp teams. Yeah, I have half of my BDSP teams here. There is one. Yeah, there are a few Garchomp teams. Yeah. And it will take some time to get a game. So yeah. Wait, Alice in Wonderland. Who is Alice though? Let's name my Pokemon. Who should be Alice here? This looks like Alice though. I don't remember all the characters, but who should be off with your head? Who should be Alice? Who should be off with your head? Who should be the Queen? There was the Queen. I remember there was the Queen. There was the Mad Hatter. There was the March Hare. Okay, Shearzard with the March Hare. My god, Garchomp looks so cute. Queen of... I forgot. Just make Queen. Who should be the Hatter? Garchomp is the Hatter. Who is Alice? You are Alice. Can't I nickname my Pokes? I can't. I want to nickname my Pokemon. Let's have a quick look at one thing. Alice in Wonderland characters. White Rabbit, Duchess, King of Hearts. Oh, the March Hare, Queen of Hearts. Yeah, this. Duchess. Oh yeah, Caterpillar. The Caterpillar and the Dodo. Yeah, the Caterpillar and the Dodo. First I will name and then I will start the timer. Perfect. The Caterpillar. Who is the Caterpillar? Who is the Dodo? You are the Dodo. You are the Queen. And Rotom the caterpillar, or what suits Rotom? I don't remember the Dormouse. Oh, the Dormouse, yeah, I remember it. That potion thingy. And there was Peter Pan, right? You know what? I'm gonna name you. You are the White Rabbit. Because you have, yeah, you have this small rabbit-like teeth. Perfect. Okay, so okay, now get back to game. I think it's a. Oh my god. Rocks. I need my rocks. Straight up, I need my rocks. I wanna lead Rotom and trick something. Perfect. Do I trick you? That's the question. I mean, having the scarf can be kind of okay. I think I trick you. I always trick you. Yeah, I trick you and then I volt out. Yeah, I think he's gonna get his rocks up here. All these noobs, they only know this. Free Willow? Free Volt. Let him click kicking rocks. I will keep clicking the Volt switch. Volt out. Okay, get burned. Your wish. Your wish. This guy, yeah. Which item though? Okay, he keeps critting every move. This looks like some scar, but I need my Rotom a lot. What am I even doing here right now? Playing games with this. I shouldn't be playing. I need my Rotom. Oh my god. I messed up. I absolutely messed up. I lost to the Heatran. Why was I playing games with this Garchomp? And he crit like every move. What is this, dude? Stop critting me! Stop! Stop critting me, Willa! Stop critting me! Can you play faster, dude? I had absolutely no business. Staying in on the Chomper with my Rotom when I saw I have what to say, Togekiss. He's like oblivious to some bullshit. So here's the thing, I don't need this one that much, and he goes to the Weavile right now, and I have a pretty much a defensive Shedzer waiting to just come in, which is looks like absolutely useless this game. So kinda, yeah, I can go to that always, and he's Life Orb, Throat Chop. I can pretty much the freest roost of my life, and I get chip on the Heatran, which is really good. This is choiced in some way. This has to be choiced in some way. Okay. I think Rotom, are you kicking the bucket? Rotom, what is Rotom saying? Rotom is saying, yes, I am. You spin, you have to decide now. What do you want to do? You have to decide now. You attack us or you spin? You decide. Yeah, good, wise choice. He made a wise choice. Apparently, yeah. Apparently. This is analytic though. I wanna like, yeah, T-wave on this boy. Yeah. Oh my god, no. No. No, my god, you gotta be kidding me right now. I'm gonna faint right now. Okay, perfect. He went to the Chomp for some reason. Yeah, he's back to level 1. This Earthquake is doing literally 0 damage. I can SB up. Goes to this bullshit. I can go to my Shitzer and I can roost up. Yeah, we are EV'd. We have the expert industry EVs, so yeah, we are kind of good versus Weavile. He chops my throat and does like 0. He goes to the Tran, he gets chipped, he goes to Starmie, he dies. And Chomper doesn't look like the best here. I have to be very careful about the D-Knight. I have to be very, very careful. I think I go to Chomper. He goes to the Plume. And is this the freest? And the flex play would be to Iron Hit. You want to see me flex? Watch this play. Watch this play, watch this play, watch this play. And I got rough skin damage for no freaking reason. I got rough skin damage for no freaking reason. Have to be like the worst player on Showdown right now. I have to be the worst player on Showdown, but no freaking way. Yeah, as I said, when you go to Starmie, I get my shits up. Weavile dies to rocks pretty much. You go to Starmie, I get my shits up. So there's no escape. I am mad scared about the D-Knight. Yeah, this D-Knight is giving me like it's gonna take my life right now. His psychic, rapid spin, recover and sorry, I shouted. No ice beam. He has this 100. Oh, okay. He has no ice beam. There's no ice beam. There's no ice beam. Oh no. There's no ice beam. Yeah, I go to. Oh my god. I am throwing left and right. I'm just throwing left and right. I'm throwing this game. Yeah, I am saying, opponent, come. Let me serve you a cup of tea. And I threw. I'm throwing this game like anything. Look at me throw. This game should be look at me throw. Yeah, that T-wave miss just cost me. That first T-wave miss, it just cost me. I said to my opponent, come dude, come bro. Watch Blim throw games. I said, come dude, let's watch Blim throw games. He goes to D-Knight, I lose on spot. Kinda. You know what I want to do here? I want to throw. I want to throw right here. I want to throw. Because if I get my rocks up, he's in trouble right now. I want to throw right now. If I give my scissor, I instantly lose to the D-Knight. I instantly lose to the D-Knight. My gut is saying me, Blame, please throw this game. And yes, I was right. I was right as always. No. Why did I make this play? I had a reason to make this play. I'm going all in with my Togekiss. Now this banded D-Knight about to come and... Okay, moment of truth. Please don't go for fire punch. Go for outrage. Don't E-speed. Go for outrage. Don't E-speed. No. Why did I throw? Why did he click the lava plume? He knows I have a Blissey. Why did he click the lava plume? No, I threw. Oh my, I deserve to be punished. I deserve to lose this game. Okay, Hex God is fighting for me. Okay, I got my... Oh! Yeah, yes! I bailed out. Yeah, when you... Yeah. Actually, yeah, that T-Wave miss, that Thanos Starmie mattered a lot. But I bailed out. I'm so happy I bailed out. And like, yeah. I kill you and Mach Punch sweep you, kinda. Yeah, we bailed out. Oh, yes! The yellow color. Love the yellow color. You just love the yellow color. Okay. Yeah, I just soft boiled up. I T-wave, sack my kiss and I win. Let's get the guaranteed win. If you're Scarf, dude, run. He's Shuka or Chopple, I'm not sure, but if he's Scarf, run Flamethrower. Don't run Lava Plume. How much are we at though? 40. Okay, we'll get one more and yeah. It's amazing, amazing showdown live. Look at the players whom we faced. So tough games, man. You know what? I am just kind of scared. This will be the only Chopel Tran. You know, this will be a Chopel Tran, and he might. Yeah, this will be a Chopel Tran. You know what I can do? Let's go to let's not give him much pain. If he's Chopel Tran, we just stall him out. Which I don't know what we do versus Chopel Tran. I'm not sure though. I wanna let's boost up once. I wanna. Yeah, this is Chopel Tran. I'm thinking this might be Chopel. If it's Chopel Flash Can, I think this is Scarf or some Specs maybe. This looks like Specs. Yeah, I don't want to stall him out with the Bliss. I want to end this game fast. And we will get back to finding games and nicknaming the team. Now wanna plot up once. Now we can slash him down. Yep. 1745 live building, live games. Yeah, this match was amazing. This match was amazing. I kind of know who this player is. I know this is is this Bea? Is this Bea? I know for a fact this is a tournament player. I faced this guy in Sword and Shield. I forgot. I have to find out who this is. But yeah, looking at his plays, like he played immaculately. But I know, yeah, we are tough to beat. But yeah, this game was there. I threw and I bailed out. I didn't throw, to be honest. Let me tell you what my thought process was. He lava plumes. I kind of thought my Togekiss can take this D-Knight 1v1. That was my main thought process. It's not like a complete throw. Because I thought my Togekiss and my Blissey should be able to handle the D-Knight. This was my thought process. But if it was the Fly D-Knight, it was a wrap. So yeah, okay. Now let's check how much are we and we'll get one last game. How much are we at? 1745. We should be very high. Yeah, we are at number 22. Let's get the one last game. Like I said, live building and we were naming, right? Marcher, Hatter, White Rabbit. Now if you see, let's see if we can get a better name for the White Rabbit. I mean for Rotom. What was Bill the Lizard doing? Mock Turtle. What was the Mock Turtle doing though? I kind of forgot half the characters. I remember. I forgot the high top Alice, Queen of Hearts. I remember Cheshire, Alice's cat. I remember the White Rabbit. Don't remember the White Rabbit that much. Caterpillar. I remember the Marcher. I don't. Yeah, the Dormouse. I remember the Dormouse with the potion scene. Duchess. Yup. Remember the Dodo, remember the King of Hearts, the Knave of Knights. I am not sure what was this Knave of Knights doing though. What did the Knave of Knights do? HF we got, oh my god. I hate this. We shouldn't give screen time. Okay, we got this guy again. Why did we get him again? This is not fair. Specs Rotom, I know it's Specs Rotom. Now we know. Now we have to make the lead well, I wanna Chompa lead him. Perfect. Straight up outrage. SD. Do it. Just don't put me to sleep. If I outrage, oh my god. Come on. No double screen time. This is bad. This shouldn't be allowed. Double screen time. This is not good. Why double screen time though? No, this shouldn't be allowed. This is not fair. This is absolutely not fair. No double screen time. Why should someone get double screen time? Not fair, not fair. Yeah. Double screen time is not fair at all. Something is dying to this Hydro right now. Something is absolutely dropping dead to this Hydro right now. Bye bye. He is playing, yeah. This is not fair at all. No double screen time. Yeah, he... Is he doubling to the Rotom? Okay, he made a shit play. Get punished. No freaking way. Okay, step 1. This is Fire Blast. I remember this Fire Blast, but I think I can safely U-turn. This is Fire Blast. I remember. This looks kind of good, to be honest. I can go to U. Gets his shits up, no problem. Hydro looks so good, man. It won't kill for a fact, I know, but I want to get this Hydro off. Oh, okay. This won't kill though. He's gonna edge. And he's gonna crunch. He can crunch me. Hydro him. He edges. I want to Hydro him again. He is making himself very weak to my Mach Punch. Very weak to Mach Punch. Oh shit. I get a free kill now. I think he needs the Hydro chip. He always goes for Hydro here. Yes. He goes to this. Skulls. 41. I need to defog here. U-turn looks like a really good play. Perfect. I need my Bullet Punch chip. Earthquake. Don't burn me, please. Okay, yeah. Okay, we are EV'd. Yeah, no way our Togekiss dies. No freaking way. We are very bulky. I refuse to believe you get to it KO'd by this weak move. Yeah, I refuse to believe. Roost up. Yup. We smashed him again. Yeah, he now ran. He didn't even say GG. He just ran. This time, yeah. I'm in the team which we built today. Oh my god, smashing. 1756. Live. Guys, in my channel, as I said, all genuine stuff. We don't what to say. We don't hide. We play everything. We build, play everything live. This is what we love to see. It didn't update. Let it update. Let the ladder update. We are moving too fast. Update, you stupid ladder. Update. How much are we at? 50 minutes? Okay, yeah. Live climb to number 17. Who is texting? Okay, so I'm recording. So yeah, so just you love to see, we are started off with number 33. We have built the team live, and yeah, we have reached to number 17, and look at our GXE, 83.8 GXE. You just love to see it, and we haven't lost a single game. Yeah, we faced him twice. And we beat him twice. Perfect way to end the live. And before ending, just once again, how did we start the team building? Everything explained. You don't need any team building guide. If you watch me, if you follow me, you don't need any team building guide. If you just see my videos, you will not just be a master player, but you will be a master builder as well. So I started off with Tojakis. First I started off with the mon which I want to build, because as I said, mostly in higher ladder you will face mostly stallish teams. Apparently we didn't face a stall, we faced some bulky offensive teams. We faced a Hazard stack with a really cool team. And yeah, so with the Tojakis does really well versus balance and stalls. This is why I started off with Tojakis. And then I got my first special wall, my semi physical come special wall. As I said, we have this 80 speed EV so that we do not get tweet killed by Lati's Surf. Just show you the calc. Latios choice specs, Shidzer offensive, mystical fire, Surf. Wait, we are not this set. See, it's reducing. No stealth rock. See, and this 60 speed of EVs. Yeah. So it's what was I looking though? Huh? What? It was something. No. Wait. Lati ass. Surf. No. Oh yes, I remember the mistake. So yeah, because I live. So what was I thinking though? Yeah, not mystical fire again. Yeah. So with this 60 speed of EVs, you have a less than a 50% chance to get tweet killed by surf. So this is why we have this, and I think like 30% is a very nice chance you live 2 surfs. This is why we have this 60 speed F and this fizz depth because of this. Not choice mind. Earthquake, and we have like 176 defense. Yeah, this is why we have this defense EVs, and we are not adamant, we are bold as well. We are bold, yeah. And if they make it like yeah, not life orb, let's make this like I think it was jolly life orb, right? Because most maybe I faced like jolly. Yeah, so again you have a less than 50% chance to get KO'd by jolly Mammy's earthquake. I mean if it's life orb jolly Mammoth, yeah. This is why we have these EVs, and also obviously you live Weavile or your choice band. Throat chop. Yeah, you never get tweet killed by throat chop. You can just pretty much come in and dance on it. And this is why we have, I kind of like this PDF mixed shades. And then we have very standard chum Iron Head because of clips. Because you leave a Moonblast and one Iron Head flinch, and it's stronger than Earthquake because Iron Head it's 8260 and Earthquake is like 150, and so yes, it's 160 to 150. You can like tweet kill it with Iron Head, and you can also hope for the flinch. But if you wanna hit like Rotom and you don't wanna, I run this move. If you are a man, you run Dragon Rush. If you're a man, you run Dragon Rush. But in this lap, I wasn't a man. I was a kid, so I'm running Outrage. But yeah. Then this set actually it helps a lot. This is faster than base 350s. It's faster than Gengar with the Scarf. And rest in defense because you get those quick volt switches. You get this faster Will-O-Wisp. You get the fast Hydro Pump on the Gengar. Yeah, and you can like trick Latios and force himself to lock into a move. This we have this speed and in defense, and then we have this Alice Choice Banded Breloom. Absolute monster in BDSP right now. One of the best all breakers out there. Tangrowth, just want to see. I just want to see. I just want to see one thing. I'm sure this jolly, yeah. Yeah, just serious damage. Just serious damage. Max Wisdom Tangrowth, it does 37 to 43. Yeah. And Para, you have that Para chance as well. And over there you have rocks. You have rocks. Yeah. And most Tangrowth are running itemless. So yeah. So here round of the rocks damage. Yeah, Tangrowth will just run for his life. Tangrowth will run for his life. And yeah, we have Drain Punch. As I said, Spore over Drain Punch over Spore. You can run Spore. Spore is very viable as well, but I just like Drain Punch because Spore you have to switch and they are burning that sleep turn unless they get really impatient and switch out. But as I like Drain Punch for the recovery, and Drain Punch is really hard as well. So yeah, I like Drain Punch kinda. And so this was the initial thought process. I built the team. I built all the live games all done. Yeah, I'm not tired. Hope you will enjoy this live. I hope you will enjoy this live. And yep, guys, get us to 5k. Sub, comment, all that good stuff. And most importantly, guys, stay safe, guys. Bye bye. Oof.